Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Garino and Lucy are taking a walk in my backyard and we're looking at the weather. We're being meteorologists. So I'm looking up at the sky and what do you see? I see lots of clouds, big white, puffy, fluffy clouds. Now I'm going to look at the trees because I'm starting to hear some sound. And I'm looking at the leaves on the ground. And they're starting to move. Here they go. And I'm looking up at the trees. And the branches are moving. Listen closely, and you can hear the wind. Look up at those trees. They're blowing in the wind. Let's see what Lucy's doing. Even the hair on Lucy is blowing a little bit. So when I look at my weather chart, I'm going to say today is a windy day. The leaves are blowing, the branches are moving, and it's a very windy day. Here it comes again. If you can listen, here comes the sound. Let's see if the clouds are still moving and the trees, and I hear it almost sounds like a roar. Listen. In a circle from the wind. Okay. Thank you, boys and girls, for watching my weather report. So today is a partly cloudy and very windy day. See you on the computer.